All right, guys, it is the last section, X13 of your summer. So looking at geometric probability. So this one is going to be looking at a problem here is point on Fk is chosen at random. So what is the probability that is h through k? So h through k, so I just look at the distance of that. So between 4 to 10, or 10 minus 4, that gives us 6. And then the probability of the whole thing, okay? So that's gonna be 6 out of 10, which is gonna reduce down to 3/5. All right, let me just type it in there, 3/5. All right, looking at the next problem here. Point in the line segment is chosen at random, was probability is between 48 and 49. Okay, so if I break this up, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 equal parts, probably between 48 and 49. Okay, so that's going to be one third right there. All right, let's skip ahead here. Skip ahead a little bit more. Point and length segment is choosing random, was probability is between 102 and 106. All right, so this they make you just go in between. So 102 to 106 is going to be right about here. And you just have to take it out of the total. So let me write this out. So we have, oops, 106 minus 102. Do it that way is going to be 4. And then what's this total from here all the way there? So that's going to be 111 minus 86. And that is, let's say 111. It's going to be 25. All right, so this one should be 4/25 or 4 out of 25. All right, that's pretty much all we're doing in this section. Let's do one more. We have a different visual on this one. Central angle Q is going to be 146. Okay, so it's going to be important to know. So this is 146 degrees. Central angle of R is 47. What's the probability that the spinner does not land on R or Q? All right, so we're going to have to find what the rest of this is right here. All right, so you got to figure out a few things here. So what is the total of this here? So if we're working at degrees, this is a circle, so the whole thing should be 360. All right, and I'm just going to subtract what does not land on R and Q, right? Not R and Q. So I subtract those out. That'd be 146 plus 47. And that would give me, so this is 193. And then this would be 167. Okay, but I'm not done yet. So what does not land, so this whole thing right there is gonna be 167. And then out of 360. All right, that should be my answer there. All right, so more problems like that. So remember, if you're working at degrees, there's 360. And you can solve from those points there. So what the information they give you, let's actually do one more. So this one is going to be sector P is 78. And then the central angle of sector T is 92. T 92, 48 or 78. All right, so this is probability the spinner does not land on T or P. So again, it's going to be the same thing, 360 minus 78 plus 92. You're going to find that number, and then you're going to divide that by 360. So let's put the 360 there. Let me just use my calculator here to find what these two are going to be equal to or add up to. 170. So 360 minus 170 gonna be giving me 190. So 190 there. Okay, they both end with 0, so that means I know I have to reduce it. All right, so 190 divided by 2, 95. You know what, actually, we'll just do 5. So I messed up there. All right, so dividing both by 5 would give you 38 over 172. Well, they're both even again, so I can divide those in half as well. So that's going to give me 19. And 72 divided by 2 is going to give me 36. Okay, so the final answer on this one should be 19 out of 36. All right, guys, nice job. Let's get to it. Geometric probability, last section. Thank you. Thanks so much for being here this summer.